Hi everyone, this is a video I'm so excited to be making. I'm going to be unboxing this nail extension gel by Macart. I got it from Amazon and it's nail polygel and I'm super excited to use this and try this for the first time. But we're just going to unbox it before I try it and I'll show you everything that's in the kit. I haven't looked at it at all. I should probably get some scissors, but let's see if I can get it. I got it. Okay. So like I said, it just comes in this box, and then, oh, they're much smaller than I thought they would be. You just pull it out and it looks like this. So it comes with a dark pink, a misty rose, a light pink, a natural pink, a bright white, and a clear. Those are all the colors of the polygel, and then it also comes with, I believe it's a dual-ended brush. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a brush on one end for the polygel, like to sculpt it, and then on the other end it's like the spatula in order to get it out of the tube. And then it comes with a base gel, so this is like a base coat for the polygel, and then it comes with a top coat for the polygel. And then it comes with all the forms that you need. So it comes with the different forms that you could oh, I opened it the wrong way. Of course I did. But it comes with all the different forms for the different nail sizes, so that when you put the polygel on, this is what you'll need. It comes with a little instruction manual, so to prep the natural nail, apply a base coat and cure it. Pick up some nail gel, put it on the dual form the gel on the dual form, apply the dual form, cure in a UV lamp for, cure 2 minutes in a UV lamp or 30 to 60 seconds in an LED lamp. Remove the dual form, apply a top coat, cure 2 minutes in UV or 30 to 60 seconds in an LED, and trim and shape, and your beautiful extension nails are finished. So that's what it comes with. Also has all the ingredients and things on here. Has frequently asked questions. It's talking about mixing it with glitter, using forms, and other things like that. And then they also have their other kits and lamps and products that you can buy. And then the kit also comes with a nail file. It's $120-$240. So yeah, the kit comes with literally everything you need except for a lamp. So I have a lamp, obviously. I have an LED lamp I'm going to use today so that I don't have to cure for 2 minutes. I don't know why I'm putting this back in here anyway. So basically we're just going to try this out. It says on the back everything that you need in order to know what to do and everything that it comes with. And so yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first time trying polygel nails. I'm a little nervous considering how my acrylic nails went, but I have already prepped the nails. I just need to put on this dehydrator. So I'm going to put that on all the nails. I'm going to start off with one actually and see how the first one goes. And so then I'm going to put on a pH bond by Gelish. As you can see, it really changes how the nail looks, and you can tell it really dehydrates it. Then I'm going to take the base gel that came in the kit and apply that to the nail. And what I have learned about gel polish is that a thin layer is better at first. Ooh, this smells different. It's smells kind of how like really cheap nail polish smells, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna cure that in my lamp. Okay, so now I have fit tips to all my nails, and I've decided that I'm gonna go, I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but right until I reach about the 0 right there, so there's not too much length on it. So now I'm just gonna start with the Polygel. So I'm gonna take that dual-ended brush that came in the kit, and I'm gonna uncap the spatula side. And I'm gonna take the natural pink color, and there's a thing on it. It comes sealed, so you know no one's used it before. Okay, and then I'm gonna take just a little bit and place that into there. After looking at it, I think I'm gonna need more. So I'm gonna double that and place that into there. It's kind of hard to get, oh sorry, I can't even see. It's a little hard to get off the spatula, it is very sticky. So then I'm going to take the other end of this dual-ended brush and the brush side, and I'm gonna dip it in some isopropyl alcohol, which is rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna try and shape it. I think I need some more. Okay. I'm still missing a little bit right there. Okay, now I'm gonna place it on the nail. Don't want to press down too hard because then it'll come out. And then cure this for 60 seconds. Alright, I cured that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and now they suggest just rocking it off, which honestly feels kind of weird. Oh. Okay, so just from my first impressions of doing this, I definitely put way too much down at the cuticle, so it's a lot thicker there than it is at the tip, but it does feel very durable. I don't know if you can see from the side that it's real thick right there, so we'll just have to file that down. I don't know how long or how well that will last from that, since it is so thick there instead of at the tip, because the tip is very thin, honestly. So I will now do the rest of my nails off camera and see if I can do those a little bit better, and I'll show you the end result before I file them. Okay, now that one hand is done, I'm going to shape them. One thing that I noticed that I did mess up on is there's like, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but there's like a gap between my natural nail and the Polygel, so I think I just didn't press the form down enough towards the tip since I was trying to press it too lightly. But other than that, for a first time doing Polygel, it's not too bad. Probably won't last very long, considering all the mistakes, but I'm just going to shape these. And then do my other hand. I want them to be rounded. And try and take off some of that excess on the sides. And for this one, I also want to get rid of some of that extra on the cuticle. It's still very sticky. I haven't put the top coat on or wiped it down with the rubbing alcohol yet, but that nail looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm gonna apply a top coat. I shaped them. For the first time doing polygel nails, they're not too bad, but they're also not great. My right hand is better than my left hand for sure. But my left hand has the lifting in between the natural nail and the fake nail. So, like I said, not the best, and they're also way too thick at the cuticle on most of them. This thumb is completely messed up, but like I said, not too bad for the first time. I'm gonna apply the top coat now, and then cure that in the lamp. Alright, now I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Alright, so here is the final result. Like I said, not the best, but also not too terrible for the first time. We'll see how long they last. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't see them lasting too long, like I said, like with this thumb. There's already lifting right at the bottom. I would probably try to redo them a second time and update you guys on Instagram. I posted them on my Instagram story, and I'll update on Instagram how long they last, and then update doing them a second time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it showed you that they are kind of simple to do, but also take a little bit of skill. And I hope it gives you guys the courage to try first times for other different things, even if you aren't a professional. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.